all the candidates means 5,58,129. Those who had applied, no fee would be charged. All of them would be issued with fresh admit cards for the purpose of the preliminary examination. That would be conducted afresh. Number one. Number two, the schedule of date as per the earlier advertisement, those dates we will issue the corrigendum for holding of those examinations with a minimum gap of a fortnight or a month, like that. Because if we re-invite the advertisement without the applications, that would take another 1 year. The whole process, scrutiny and all.
In the corrigendum, Mr. Acharya, you can clarify everything.
Everything. That's correct. Your Lordship may make it clear. So we'll be holding a fresh preliminary examination and we will stick to other terms and conditions of the advertisement, whatever 5 times of the advertised vacancy, etc., etc. All other conditions of the advertisement will remain unchanged.
But
these 5 times.
But now those persons who have been allowed to take that man.
Nothing can be done. Your Lordship knows if a good student also suffers. Suppose a center
now they will come there without hearing us, basing on the.
No, we can cancel it. The whole selection we can cancel.
Unless you do that without hearing those candidates who have been called to take the man, if I will pass some order, next day they will come and file a writ appeal there again without hearing us, our selection has been.
Your Lordship, I am also considering that Your Lordship may record, we are cancelling the entire process, will go afresh.
Yes, that will be better. Yes, because it will create a multi-period problem, Mr. Acharya.
We will cancel the whole process, will go afresh.
Yes.
Your Lordship may record.